There is a moment when someone realizes their mind no longer feels like home, not because they were born broken, not because they are weak, but because substances, choices, or seasons of escape have altered the very reality they live in. Drug-induced mental illness is not just confusion, it is not simply anxiety or psychosis. It is the frightening experience of watching your identity dissolve while still being alive inside yourself. Most people call this treatment. They call it stabilization. They call it symptom management, but recovery is deeper than that. I call it psycho-recovery. Because true recovery is not just about surviving the damage. It is about reclaiming the mind beneath the damage. This book explores the journey of awakening after mental collapse, a rebuilding of identity when you no longer recognize who you are, a rebuilding of thought when your mind feels hijacked by fear and distortion, a rebuilding of desire when motivation disappears into emptiness, and a rebuilding of purpose when the future feels permanently erased. Drug-induced mental illness may disrupt your life, but it does not erase your humanity. The real mind is still there, waiting to be reclaimed, not instantly, not magically, but intentionally, step by step. Through awareness, understanding, and courage. If you or someone you love has experienced substance-triggered mental suffering, this book was written as a guide, a voice of understanding, and a roadmap back to yourself. Recovery is not the end of your story, it is the awakening of your real one. Psycho-recovery. Reclaim your mind, rebuild your identity, return to yourself. You can find the book using the link below.